What's up, K-Divas, and welcome back to the channel this week. I hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon and evening wherever you are. This video is a compilation video of 20 things or 20 garments that you can make from a basic bodice front and back. This you can either get as a PDF, and you have various sizes if you're a small business owner, or if you just want variety to make for different people in your life. Or you could also make your own basic bodice pattern front and back. I do have a separate video on my channel showing you how to do this, and this has been one of my most popular videos from time immemorial. Now, the 12 things I'm going to be sharing are a variety of tops and blazer dresses that you could make if you're someone who is beginner into intermediate level. The first is this circle sleeve top, which is a fitted round neck top that has a ruffle detail going through the shoulder seam of the top, as you can see here. This you can have as a crop length or as a long length that goes to around your hip. Next up on the list is this brocade fitted peplum top. I have a full tutorial showing how to create this on the channel, both the pattern and the sewing process, so feel free to check the description box for that link. The other thing that I love to make with my basic bodice is a cowl neckline top. You can have this as a top or as a dress version, but I just find cowl necklines to be very elegant and very flattering on the body. Now, the next thing that I have definitely done with my basic bodice is different variations of off-shoulder top, off-shoulder dresses. That way you are able to play around with the depth of the neckline of the bodice on the body. Also, I have made an organza ruffle top. This was one of my, I would say, failed projects, but I'm glad I did. It turned out really cute. It's something I want to try out again, and I worked from my basic bodice front and back to create this top. Number 6 is this origami pleated top that I actually saw from one of the Pattern Magic books, and I did this as a test sample just to see how it would fit and sit on my body. This you could make as a top, you could make it as a dress if you add a skirt to the bottom just to add more length to it. If you're in the market for a sewing course that covers a foundation, sewing and pattern making, you need to check out the Kim Dave course. This is a virtual learning experience that allows you to learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. I'm going to leave a link down below so you can check it out and join the community of learners globally who are taking their sewing skill to the next level. Number 7 on my list is this sweetheart mini dress. This dress is so cute, so sexy, and it's a piece that I developed from my basic bodice. I just extended the length and shaped the neckline to my liking. I also made this really gorgeous one shoulder blazer dress. Sadly, it doesn't fit me anymore, but this dress is one that will always be special and close to my heart. It features a sleeve on one side, an asymmetrical neckline, and it buttons up the front. As usual, check the description down below for the link to the full tutorial if you want to see it. Number 9 is a square sleeve dress. This is a midi dress that has tear ruffling going on the skirt, and it has this square sleeve detail, a V neckline, and this I made, I think, during the first or second lockdown during the pandemic, and it was just so fun to create this project, especially because of the fabric. Number 10 is this one shoulder dress I made with Ankara. It also has a cutout detail around the waistline. It has a gathered sleeve on one side and a ruffle hemline on the bottom of the dress. Number 11 is this crisscross maxi gown inspired by a cushiony piece I saw online. This is one of those I am growing out and I want to look elegant and classy and sophisticated looks. I haven't worn it out yet, but I'm definitely saving it for a very special occasion. Last but definitely not least is a shift dress. This is a dress I say that is very beginner friendly because it's like a long top that you can make mini or maxi or midi length. It has a round neckline and short sleeve, and all the details you can play around to create your own customized experience. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like me to do more compilation videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Also share your thoughts, feedbacks and ideas, and all tutorials for all the pieces shown will be linked as well. Until my next video, have a good morning, afternoon and evening wherever you are. Bye.